वास्कोच्यान तिरुपती वचपी रेल्वे रद्द केल्या. साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेच्या ट्रॅकाचें काम चालू आशिल्ल्यान वास्कोच्या तिरुपती हैदराबाद वचपी आनी येवपी रेल्वे कांय दिसां खातीर रद्द केल्ल्याची म्हायती वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशनाचो स्टेशन वेवस्थापक चक्कोन दिल्या. रेल्वे ट्रॅकाचें काम चालू आशिल्ल्यान शुक्रारा दीस वास्कोच्यान तिरुपती वचपी रेल्वे रद्द केल्ल्याची म्हायती चक्कोन दिल्या.
Vasco, Tirupati and Vasco Hyderabad express trains which are scheduled to leave at 9 hours from Vasco on Friday has been cancelled actually. The incoming trains are also cancelled. This is on account of non-interlocked working in Gundakal division of Southern Railway for the commissioning of doubling between two sections of the division. Only one train is cancelled.
For one day.
Only from Vasco there is only one train is cancelled. Further there is no cancellations.